Good day everyone. I am James Claude A. Byron and I'm 19 years old. My topic is the theory of practice of educational games as a means to promote better learning. Hello everyone. Today we are diving into an exciting, innovative approach to learning educational games. With advancement in technology and educational psychology, game-based learning is emerging as a powerful tool to enhance student engagement and comprehension. So in this in this video, we will explore the theoretical foundations and practical applications of educational games, analyzing their impact cog- on cognitive development, motivation, and academic performance. We will also discuss the benefits, challenges, and future prospect of integrating games into classroom. Theoretical foundation of educational games like visual illustrating of Jean Piaget, Liv Vygotsky, and theories of learning. Educational games are rooted in several learning theories. Constructivism suggests that students learn best when they actively construct knowledge through experience. Game provided in interactive environment where learners can experience, make mistakes, and improve. Cognitive learning theories emphasizes problem solving, memory retention, and adaptability. Skills, educational games help develop. Behaviorism highlights the role of reinforcement, where rewards and progress tracking in games keep learners motivated. Cognitive benefits of educational games like visuals, clips of students solving puzzles, making decision of applying knowledge in game-based activities. Studies shows that game-based learning enhance problem solving, critical thinking, and adaptability. For example, language learning app like Duolingo use gamification to reinforce vocabulary and grammar. Puzzle games improve memory retention and analytical thinking. Simulations allow students to apply theoretical knowledge to real-world scenarios. By actively engaging in challenges, students develop better recall, analytical reasoning, and decision-making skills. Motivational aspects of educational games. For example, of leaderboards and student progress in game feed learning apps. Traditional teaching methods often fail to maintain students' interest, but educational games introduce motivational elements such as reward and incentives like points and badges which encourage progress. Competition and collaboration through leaderboards and multiplayer experiences, fostering teamwork and social learning. And instant feedbacks helping students learn from mistakes and adjust strategies in real time. These elements create a sense of achievements and encourage students to persist through challenges, leading to improved learning outcomes. Practical application in classrooms such as teachers using educational games in class, student playing, learning-based board games or digital simulation. Educational games are being integrated into various subjects such as mathematics platforms like Prodigy and Kahoot make learning math engaging. History games like Civilization let students explore historical events interactively. Science simulations allow students to conduct virtual experiments. Many educators adopt blended learning approach, combining traditional instructions with game-based activities. Research suggests that students in game-based learning environments shows higher engagement in academic performance. So challenges and limitation. Visual teachers discuss difficulties students being distracted by games. Despite their benefits, educational games come with challenges. Distraction, some students focus more on gameplay than learning objectives. Access to technology, not all schools have the resources to support digital games. Teachers training, many educators need guidance on integrating games effectively into curricula. Curricula. Address address these challenges requires investment in teachers training, technological infrastructures, and curriculum development to maximize the potential of game-based learning. So our conclusion, summary points on the effectiveness in educational games, future classroom technology. So educational games have revolutionized learning by enhancing student engagement, motivations, and cognitive skills rooted in strong theoretical foundations. These games offer an interactive and effective approach to education. However, to maximize their potential, challenges such as accessibility and proper implementation must be addressed. As technology continues to evolve, educational game educational game games will play a crucial role in shaping the future of learning by balancing education and entertainment. We can create an engagement learning environment that prepares students for the challenges of the modern world. So thank you for watching. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to like and subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next video.